First catch of the day,
they don't
baby.
do nothing good, bro. I told you there's something in there. He's just playing with it.
Literally me when I'm at home alone.
Mallard. Who's here to stop you from shooting one of those right now?
Dude, I got mine though in the truck.
Dude, quit jerking around with it.
Trying to take him on a walk?
I've been watching him rise for the past like 10 minutes, waiting for that guy to leave, and then I just cast it all the way down.
That's why I look so pissed.
I can see all the fish.
You got some throwing those away?
Yeah, or you give them to Colin or Greg.
They are.
Hey, actually.
What are they? Ray-Bans?
Yeah.
Colin! Dude!
What?
Dude, that looks sick. Probably fix them up.